The color will little bit change, as you can see here, because of the acid, because of the vinegar. Now we have to take the skins. It's done. Now let's go another one. These two, I'm not going to take the skins. I'm going to do the sear, okay? Why we are cutting, that is the important part. Normally lots of people will think to give the extra look, but that's not a correct. When I took the sushi course, the Japanese chef told me they are cutting in this way, because if there is any anisake, it will cut down and it will die. So it will look two way. It looks like different. And another way, the most important things is it will kill the bacteria or anisake if you cut. Okay, I have here the small packet of wasabi. Now I have here already teju, that's the equal quantity of water and vinegar, and definitely I have here the sushi rice. Let's make the nigiri. Take the small rice bowl, take the wasabi, don't put too much, put here, give the squeeze, press here and flip it. Yes, let's make another one. That is the tail part. Yes, I'm going to make without skins. Yes, now I'm going to do the plating. As you can see here, that is the tail part, that is also tail part, that's the head part. That's really oily fish, so it's very good, as you can see here. That is the natural ginger. I'm going to grate. Yes, that natural ginger is very good with sardine. Just a little bit lemon juice with seared ones, and I'm going to put that's the Himalayan rock salt. Just a little bit and just a little bit. That's it. Now you can enjoy with this Sardine sushi. How is it? If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. That is the seared one with lemon. That is the normal with skins with grated ginger. That is the with skins normal. That is the seared with the lemon and Himalayan rock salt. That is the Himalayan rock salt and lemon. That is the pickles garlic. And here, if you want, you can put the toe grass. It will give the extra level of flavor, a little bit spiciness also. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.